Welcome to our step-by-step guide on setting up your e-commerce store. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or beginner, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Drafting a business plan. Every journey starts with a plan. Your e-commerce business is no different. Your business plan should outline your vision, target market, and unique selling proposition. It will help you establish short-term and long-term objectives, strategy development for product sourcing, marketing, and financial management. A well-crafted business plan can also attract investors. Step 2. Choosing a domain name and web hosting. Your domain name is your online address, so it should be memorable and relevant to your business. Next, choose a web hosting plan that fits your budget and your website's needs. Step 3. Selecting an e-commerce platform. This is the backbone of your e-commerce store. Your choice of platform will depend on your budget, needs, and technical skills. Some popular options are Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, and BigCommerce. Each has its unique features, pricing, customization options, and ease of use. Consider which one aligns with your long-term goals and requirements. Step 4. Designing your online store. Now, let's bring your store to life. Choose a theme that mirrors your brand's style and products. Customize your design elements to reflect your brand's persona. Make sure your design is responsive, as mobile friendliness is a critical factor in today's digital age. From the color scheme and font selection to layout and imagery, every element should be purposeful and cohesive. Step 5. Setting up product categories and listings. Group your products logically and give your categories clear, descriptive names. Use professional quality images to showcase your products and use SEO-friendly alt text and file names for your product images. Step 6. Establishing payment gateways and shipping methods. Payment and shipping are two critical aspects of the customer's purchasing journey. You want this process to be as smooth as possible. Set up multiple secure payment options like PayPal, Stripe, or Square, and offer transparent shipping methods to cater to a variety of customer preferences. Step 7. Implementing security measures. Security is essential in an e-commerce store. Use SSL certificates to encrypt data, keep your software up to date, and use strong, unique passwords. Regular security checks and backups can also help keep your store safe from threats and instill trust in your customers. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to setting up your e-commerce store.